evening, Olympia. It is sad coming downtown. You try to look for a little bright spot, but look at this. The biggest building in town, save for anything to do with state shirkers, is the abortion clinic. Is that the only time they feel the holiday spirit? Yeah, pretty sad. But, we try. They've got their little lock gates. I think they know that nobody likes what they're up to. Oops. So, here we go, everybody. We are heading downtown in our little rainy night. We got the rainy blues. I don't mean to be too raggy and hard on everything, but how come? That's called power. It's like, is that what the left is about? Hey there, rainy day. It sure is one. Got your little Capitol Theater there? Wanna see a commie movie? We just hope you're doing well. That you are staying healthy, staying happy. As we just feel those holiday blues. Some things almost seem closed before they opened. That place. Waiting for the man. Many blessings.